This is my simple setup when shooting outside together with the LUT5 monitor. Although it looks heavy, it's not. I can shoot all day with this setup. Because of the 3000 nit capacity of this monitor, I don't need a sunshade anymore because I can see the screen clearly. Having this monitor is a lifesaver because I can shoot in any angle anytime without stressing or stretching my body. Before I have this monitor, it's really hard for me to compose a shot by just looking on the camera screen. I have to do some weird position in able to see the camera screen clearly. But with the help of FEELWORLD monitor, I can just relax my body while composing a shot. Of course, the full HD resolution and the 5 inches screen makes it a lot easier. I can also now see the image with my custom LUT while shooting because of this amazing feature. Because of this, I can set my settings properly and well balanced. Thanks to this dummy F970, I can now power a wireless transmitter, which can be really helpful when I need to use two monitors at the same time. You see, this monitor can do a lot of things that can help you and make your life easier. So, that's the FEELWORLD LUT5 monitor can do.